Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to the Spanish channel and our grammar checkpoints. These are bite-sized lessons designed to consolidate your learning through the main course. As these are short lessons, you should only need approximately 10 to 15 minutes to complete each checkpoint. Today, for grammar checkpoint 1, we're going to be consolidating our knowledge of indefinite articles, a and some. Your first task is to make a note of all of these words which refer in some way to a classroom or objects in a classroom. And get ready to check your answers. Here we go. And remember, there are two ways to say the word a in Spanish. You have un and una. Using un would denote a masculine noun. Using una would denote a feminine noun. And remember the rule, generally a noun that ends in an O is masculine and therefore takes un. Whereas a noun that ends in an A generally is feminine and therefore takes una. We use exactly the same process to use the word some. Unos, if the following word is masculine and plural, for example, unos diccionarios, some dictionaries, and unas for some if the noun is feminine and plural, unas reglas, some rulers. However, some nouns don't end in an O for masculine or an A for feminine. I've tried to put together here for you some general rules, although they're not always 100%. So nouns that end in a TA, a PA and so on tend to be masculine, and nouns that end in ION, DAD, etc. tend to be feminine. If in doubt, always check in a dictionary. Question for you: why do we use the term indefinite article to refer to the word a or some? You might remember, if I said pass me a pen, you wouldn't necessarily know which one of these to give to me. That's why it's indefinite. If I were to say pass me the red pen, well, the is definite, isn't it? It's a definite article. So that's the difference between a and the. Okay, task 2. So using the nouns that you translated earlier for me, I'd like you to use the correct indefinite article in front of each noun, whether that's un, una, unos or unas. Okay, the English is there to help you in terms of whether you're saying a or some. Rules are here for you, and now will be an opportune moment to take a screenshot or to pause the video. Come back to you shortly. Y listos en 3, 2, 1. Okay, and here are your answers using the appropriate indefinite article. Have a look through, mark your answers. I just wanted to point out this one here, sacapuntas, which means a sharpener. It's quite an odd noun because it already ends in an A and an S. It is actually a masculine noun, un sacapuntas. Having said that, if you wanted to put this into the plural form and say some sharpeners, you are going to say unos sacapuntas. So actually, for your answer, un or unos would be both acceptable. And that's all for today. Grammar checkpoint 2 will be all about definite articles. Any questions, please drop me a line. Otherwise, I'll see you soon. Hasta luego.